How to review songs you've listened to on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review songs you've listened to on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings and go down again. Here you will find activity log and then click profile information, and now all you need to do is just click songs you've listened to. Here you can review it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.